Hi everyone, this is Danica. I'm just going to show you what my process is for uploading things to MSU Media Space. So I already had recorded something, but then I screwed something up, so I'm just going to use that as our example. So let's say that I have this video that I would like to upload to Media Space. So if you want to upload it to YouTube, you can just let YouTube make the closed captions. But if you don't want to upload it to YouTube, you could save video file. But I would suggest that you click on the CC down here. You would just do speech to text, hit start. And so now it's going to pull something up here. And it's actually fairly easy to use. So you have these little timestamps that you can click on. So once you click on the timestamp, you can hear the audio at that time, and then you can change what's being said or type up what's being said. Okay, so if you're going to do it via YouTube, then you don't have to worry about that. So you would click upload to YouTube, and then it would take some time, it would upload. So I already have it uploaded. Okay, so if you're on the home screen or somewhere on YouTube, you can just click on your little icon over here and then click on YouTube Studio. So it should bring you here. If you didn't do it via Screencast-O-Matic, oh yeah, that was what I was using before. I only recently learned about it, but I really like it. I think the editing tools are a lot easier on that than on YouTube. So if you didn't do it via Screencast-O-Matic, and you have the file, the video file on your computer, you can just hit create and then do upload video, and then you can upload a video that way. So here, I already have my video uploaded. It's going to ask you things like the title, if you want a description, whether you want it public or not. So let's go in. So once you do upload it though, pretty much right away you're going to want to go to subtitles, and it'll ask you what language you want it to be in. So this process might take up to an hour for them to actually do the automatic subtitles. But they can't start until you tell them what language it's in. Okay, so now if I want to go over to MSU Media Space and I want to upload this video that I have over here, I'm going to sign in. So what I'm going to do is I go back one to my channel videos. So now here are all the videos from my channel. I can click the three dots and then I would download. So what's nice is if you make the title for the video before you download the video, it downloads as that title. So it's really easy to find. Okay, so now that you're logged into your media space, you just click add new. You want to do media upload. I don't like to do the YouTube way because I'm not sure if students that can't access YouTube would be able to access that. I don't think that they would. Okay, so I'm going to go to downloads, and here we go, uploading to MSU Media Space. So I'd open that. I'll delete it after because I messed this up. But okay, so while I wait for this bar to load, I always add my YouTube link in the description. So how do we find that link? So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to click on it again. And so now that actually brings me to the link, to where it is. So all I have to do is hit the share button, copy, and paste. Fantastic. So now that it's uploaded, I just hit save, and then after a few seconds it'll let me publish it. You just have to wait. There we go, publish. So I publish it to my channel. I have a specific channel for this class. So now I hit save. So you'll notice it's going to need to also compile after it uploads. So if I go to my channel right now, it doesn't actually show up. It will show up once it's done compiling though. Okay, so now how do I put in the closed captions? So I'm going to hit this edit button. While I'm waiting for that to load, let's go over here. So on my video details, I want to go down to subtitles. And I want to do options, and I'm going to download the .srt version. Okay, so this one doesn't have as nice of a title, so I suggest you only do this one at a time. Okay, so see media is being processed, that cute little graphic. I go over to captions. Now I can upload a captions file. So I browse, brings me right to the downloads. Boom, boom. I'm going to select a language. Telling them it's English. Alright, upload complete. Excellent. So I hit save. So now you see it's done. So how I make my thumbnails, I'll just show you real quick, is I have different PowerPoints. So here's the one that I made for this. Okay, so all I really do for this is I change like the little text things, and then I click on design so I can come up with different things. I use this for, wow, that's terrible with the green text. Here, let me show you another one that I have. So I have this one. My plan is that I'm going to change the color for each week that we go. It just pops so that it's easy for the students to see, oh yeah, all these go together. So then what I do is I do like a screenshot. So on my Surface, I just do the Windows button, Shift and S all at the same time. Pops up. Well, you would not want that. This little select thing there, but so I click on that, and then you can save it, and yeah, that works really nice for me. That's what I like to do. Okay, so how do you add your thumbnail? So here, you just click on thumbnails, you click upload thumbnails. Sometimes you have to click it twice. This time it did it well, but so here I would pick that one for this. And so now it's going to upload it, and once it's done compiling, it'll be all set. Here it is. Okay, so now to put it onto YouTube, so let's say you're just in your studio, you would click details, or you click on the picture, and you would, usually this is blank and it just says add a thumbnail, but if they did pick one for you, you can click change, and then you could pick something. Okay, that's my process. Hope that helped.